Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. Today we have a Porsche Cayenne in. This is the chassis code 958, 2017 year. Simple install really. The customer didn't have a reverse camera fitting on his car as standard, it only had front and rear parking sensors, so it's into us to have a reverse camera working through the original Porsche sat-nav screen, which we'll show you shortly. But first of all, let's go to the business end and show you where the camera is. Now from the back, from where you are right now, you're not really going to see the camera too much because it shows a really subtle flush fit camera, which if you come closer, you'll get a good look at it. Now this is a piano black camera, metal bodied, extremely subtle. We've mounted it as close to the center of the car as possible. We've gone between the grab handle and the number plate light. But real nice looking camera, especially against the gloss black paintwork of this Cayenne. Now if we get into the inside of the vehicle, we'll show you what it looks like on the factory screen. Now I'm going to put it in reverse because it's automatic switching. Excuse the parking sensors because they're going to be beeping like mad because we're inside the workshop. And there's camera comes on automatically. We've got the parking sensor overlay on the right, which you can see it's going red because obviously we're against the obstacle of the wall. We've got guidelines on the screen. We actually move in the direction of the steering wheel, just like the factory Porsche option would have done. We've actually moved these guidelines on the screen to actually get this red bar here within 18 inches of the rear bumper, so it's a good visual indication of just how close the camera is, as well as the parking sensors gives him an audible. So extremely useful. We've got a wide angle lens so the customer can see great height top and bottom and perfect width. You know, it's a really good parking aid on it really. Now this car's also had a subwoofer and amp fitted. We've done that in a different episode, so if you like your bass and you don't mind losing some space, then this Cayenne has had an awesome subwoofer, worth a watch. But for now, that's pretty much it on this video. Me and Max are going to be signing off now. He's the man behind the camera. Now, there he is. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We love the support. If you can share it, comment, thumbs up, whatever you want to do, it's great. It really helps our channel. If you want any kind of retrofits done like this, so it doesn't matter whether you've got BM, Audi, Porsche, Mercedes, we can add a reverse camera to most original screens in cars. Yeah, drop us a comment. You can email us on info@johncleese.com. If you prefer WhatsApp, we've got a lovely number on our homepage, which you can just drop us an informal message as well. That's Connor from John Cleese Car Audio for now, signing off. See you later.